Welcome back to Active Inspire, the channel that brings you laughter, fitness, and a healthy dose of protein. Today, we're diving into the world of protein-rich breakfast options that will make your muscles go wow and your taste buds go yum. Get ready for an informative adventure as we uncover the secret to fueling your day with protein-packed goodness. Let's flex those hungry muscles and embark on this protein-powered journey together. Picture this: you wake up, feeling a little groggy, and your muscles are like, hey, we need some love here. Well, fear not, because we've got the perfect solution for you. Protein-rich breakfast options that will turn you into a muscle-building superhero. First up, we have the extraordinary omelette of strength. Whip up a fluffy omelette with a variety of tasty fillings like spinach, mushrooms, and feta cheese. It's like a party in your mouth, and your muscles will be dancing with joy. Plus, you can crack some excellent jokes while cooking, because who doesn't love a good yolk? But wait, there's more. Next on our protein-packed menu is the mighty Greek yogurt parfait. Layer creamy Greek yogurt with fresh berries, crunchy granola, and a sprinkle of nuts. It's a delicious symphony of flavors that will make your muscles say, "Opa." Ready for a tropical twist? Introducing the protein-powered Piña Colada smoothie. Blend together pineapple, coconut milk, Greek yogurt, and a scoop of protein powder. It's like a vacation in a glass, with a protein punch that will make your muscles shout, "Aloha gains." And there you have it, folks. Our funny and protein-packed journey through breakfast options that will fuel your muscles and make your taste buds do a happy dance. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed creating it. If you want more hilarious and nutritious content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Active Inspire.